Class monitor. Gattu and Chinky's unit tests were over, and now new semester had started in their school. All the kids were very excited.
Chinky, finally the exams are over. Now we can relax for few days. No, we can't relax. Now we have to start studying for the new semester. Oh, you are right about that, Chinky. But I just look forward to our art class every day.
Then Gattu and Chinky's class teacher enters the class. All the kids became quiet.
Students, how were your exams?
Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
Very nice, teacher. Good, very good. So kids, from today, your new semester is starting and I will choose a new monitor for your class. And I will tell you who has been chosen as the new monitor in the last period. Okay?
All the kids were talking with each other and guessing who would be the new monitor. But the teacher told them to keep quiet, and then after taking attendance, she left the class.
Chinky, I am very excited for the last period. I wonder who will be the new monitor of our class. What do you think? Me too, Gattu. What if one of us becomes the new monitor? Nice. But leave it for now. Take out your social science homework. Next period is social science.
And then the social science teacher entered the class and started teaching. After all the other lectures were over, in the last lecture, the teacher came to announce the name of a new monitor.
So children, the name of our new monitor is Gattu.
All the kids started clapping for Gattu, and he was beyond happy.
Wow! Gattu, you are a new monitor. Congratulations, Gattu. Thank you, all of you. I still can't believe this. Gattu, now you have to perform all the duties of class monitor. And when there is no teacher in class, you are supposed to keep the class quiet.
But Gattu was so happy that he didn't pay attention to ma'am. After coming home, Gattu gave this good news to Mummy and Papa at the time of dinner. Wow, Gattu, congratulations! When I was in school, I also often used to get selected as the monitor.
Thank you, Papa. From tomorrow onwards, it will be really fun in school.
Gattu finished his dinner quickly and went to sleep. Next day in school.
Students, today your maths teacher is absent. So your third period will be a free period. And the class monitor will make sure that the class is quiet. Okay, Gattu? Okay, ma'am.
And when it was the third period, Gattu went to stand in front of the class.
Now no one will make any noise. If I see anyone speaking, I will write their names on board.
After some time, Gattu saw his best friend Bunty talking to Goody.
Hey Bunty, you were talking. Now I am going to write your name on the board. Gattu, you will write name of your best friend. If you do this, I will be really hurt, Gattu.
Gattu thought for some time. And after thinking for a while, he decided not to write his name. But he wrote Goody's name. Seeing this, Goody got very angry. And that's not it. Gattu himself also started talking to his friends. Hearing all this noise, their class teacher came to check on them.
Why are you guys making so much noise? Gattu, why didn't you keep them quiet? Ma'am, actually, I wrote everyone's name, but...
Before Gattu could continue, Goody stood up and told their class teacher.
Ma'am, Gattu did not write his best friend Bunty's name, but wrote every other student's name, and he himself was talking to everyone.
All the kids also said the same thing. Hearing this, ma'am got very angry, and she started scolding Gattu.
Gattu, I made you a class monitor because I thought you were a very responsible student. But what you did today proved me totally wrong. From now on, you will not be a class monitor. And tomorrow, I will select a new monitor.
This made Gattu very angry. He did not speak to anyone that whole day. And even when school was over, he went to his room without saying a word to anyone. Mummy was surprised to see Gattu behaving like this.
Chinky, what happened to Gattu?
Chinky told Mummy everything. Mummy listened to everything carefully and then she took Gattu's plate to his room.
Gattu, dear, you have been sitting in your room since you came home. Please eat something.
Gattu was sitting quietly. And then he hugged Mummy and he started crying.
Mummy, ma'am scolded me in front of everyone and I did not like it at all. Gattu dear, it is okay. It's nothing.
Mummy tried to calm him down.
Gattu dear, ma'am gave you the responsibility because she thought you were more responsible than other students. But when you did mischief and didn't write your friend's name on the board, you did not fulfill your responsibility and also broke your ma'am's trust. So, you have to accept your mistakes and apologize to your ma'am. And then you should ask for a second chance. And you also have to promise your ma'am that it will never happen again.
Gattu listened to Mummy's advice carefully and he realized his mistake.
Mummy, I got it now. Tomorrow morning, the first thing I will do is to apologize to ma'am and will ask her for a second chance. Very good. Come, now finish your dinner.
The next day, Gattu went to meet his ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to apologize for yesterday. Ma'am, please give me a second chance. I will never repeat this mistake ever again. I promise.
Ma'am liked that Gattu realized his mistake and was saying sorry. So she forgave him.
It's okay, Gattu. Alright, I will give you a second chance. You still are the class monitor, but you have to fulfill your duties very well, okay? Okay, ma'am.
Now Gattu started fulfilling his duties properly. Everyone was happy that he was their new monitor.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe.